In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI hands-free mode. This is a simple way to interact with AI without typing, using voice commands and automatic responses. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll check if hands-free or voice mode is available on my device or browser. Now I'll enable the hands-free or voice interaction feature. For example, I might tap a microphone icon or turn on continuous voice mode if available. After that, I'll start speaking my request out loud, such as, "Give me a summary of today's tasks." Claude will listen, process my voice input, and respond automatically, allowing for a smooth back-and-forth conversation. If I want better results, I can speak clearly and include specific instructions in my request. For example, I might say, "Create a to-do list for my workday and prioritize the tasks." Claude can continue the conversation, respond to follow-up questions, and assist without needing manual input. If needed, I can pause or turn off hands-free mode anytime. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI in hands-free mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.